This is a closer look at the iPhone 16 Plus. This is the white 128 gigabyte version here. I'm going to open it up, show you what it looks like inside. This Apple packaging is really nice. Just open it up down here. Has two pull tabs right here. Just open it up. Opens up really nicely. And this is it right here. This is the 16 Plus. This is the larger edition here. So this is the bigger one. And you just get the cord right here. And then you get the 16 Plus. You see here, it's got the charging port right here at the bottom. Really nice item right here. This is just looks really great. The battery, again, this is the white one. It's got the Chew camera right here, the Chew section, and then this right here has the Apple logo here, and then this is what the inside looks like right here. You got this. You got the cable right here, and again, this is the USB-C charging here. So this is different than the older one, so you don't have the lightning cable anymore. It's got USB-C, but this is it. Really great item here. I just upgraded from an iPhone 14, so the 16 Plus, just a really nice upgrade. Does a lot of new features. Got the great camera system here, but again, Apple's packaging is really nice. So again, definitely want to check this out. It's the iPhone 16 Plus. This is the white 128 gigabyte.